Hey guys, it's Amanda here, and this week's blog is called Resilience Rescue. I have created a package to be of service and to help as many people as possible. If you are already an existing client of mine, the good news is you have been in training for what we're all going through for quite some time now, because learning to bend like bamboo is learning how to be flexible in our mindset so that we are more adaptable in times of change that are out of our control. And when we do that, we eliminate suffering and we boost our happiness, immunity, and health. And so I'm here for you guys. I've been training myself with resilience for 10 years now, ever since I became paralyzed and I couldn't walk, and I had to learn how to walk and get my mind, body and life completely back on track. And it was very much about letting go of life as I knew it and being really open to lean into a huge time of uncertainty, very similar to what we're going through now. So I can help teach you everything I've learned, all the lessons I've learned along the way, and we can set up a mindset, movement and nutrition protocol and regime for you to follow in your own home, which is going to be very important during times of isolation. So I have 3 tiers for the Resilience Rescue Pack. I'm providing 3 different prices for my services. So obviously I will be doing Zoom or Skype or FaceTime sessions as soon as it's not safe to see people at the private practice. I've been doing this for a long time anyway. I Zoom and Skype clients overseas or interstate all of the time, and it's a really effective way of doing a session because a lot of my work is coaching and mindset resilient tools, and any additional products that you might need, or oils, or you can hold your own points on the video Skype, and I can send you anything that you need for additional healing. So it actually works really well. Jump on my website and you will find the 3 tiers in the package. I'm offering free sessions to those in total financial hardship. You might have lost your job, you just can't afford a session. I'm still here for you, and I want you guys to feel like you can still book in and let me help you. Tier 2 is 50% off, so if you can afford that, that is a wonderful way of you supporting me to help me to support as many people as possible. And Tier 3 are the usual priced sessions. So jump on, let's all help each other. We're in this together. And in this week's blog, I have some tips to boost immunity and to help avoid catching viruses. So jump on and check that out. And a few that I'll give you right now is to drink plenty of warm liquids, soups, teas all day long. Keeping your body warm will help you to avoid viruses, and also apparently it will be very good for cleansing the palate, cleansing the mouth, avoiding any infection to come further down into the lungs. Wash your hands multiple times, make sure you're moisturizing as well. Wash your clothes regularly, be mindful of being out there at the supermarket and then coming home and sitting on the fabrics of your couches. Just practice extra hygiene practices at this time. Get outside for vitamin D as much as you can. And I've got some really cool, there's about 11 here, so jump on this week's blog. You can have Skype dinner parties, which I'm definitely going to be doing next week when I turn 40, and my twin sister and I are going to have some sort of virtual party. So let's make lemonade out of lemons, and I'll see you guys next week.